Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Got a little bit of a chip of some paint right there. So just so you know, it's come out of Phoenix, so don't gotta worry about rust and wheels. In great shape, no corrosion, no rust anywhere. Leather seats, limited. Of course, has remote start, the doors. Heated seats and heated steering wheel. I believe navigation also. So there's your quad buckets. There's in your sliding rear door, your full sunroof. So a nice optioned up van. There's your power hatch. But like I said, body, I should have showed you this. They touched this up. A little bit of a scrape right here. Just so you just kind of like to be right up front. Most dealers don't do that. Nobody else shows you anything that I know of. When on a video, we're right up there and we'll show you a little scratch there, which on 90,000 mile vehicle, you kind of expect some of that. So they're not perfect, but this one's a pretty nice van, Southern vehicle, 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. We're one of the only guys I know that gives a 12-month warranty on a 100,000 mile vehicle. So drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical, a lot of coverage. We recommend you buy a longer term, but we do include the 12-month. 605-692-7010.